guys to my channel, it's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Oshinoko Season 2 episode number 13, the finale. Man, I'm excited for this. We have all been waiting for this since more than a week, I think so. Yeah, right? They have postponed it. I don't know what's the reason. Maybe if you guys know it, just mention down below. But yeah, the excitement is at its peak now, and we don't know like what's going to happen. There are so many things that they have to tie in before they end this season. Hopefully they will tie in. I hope so that they won't leave it as it is. But yeah, too much happened in the previous episode. Like literally God entered, like a God character. I think so that little girl character that we saw in the previous episode was a god. And yeah, man, that is wild. Like we now have a supernatural entities roaming around in the story. Of course the story has a supernatural theme, like they literally were reincarnated, but I didn't think so they would touch that. I thought they would treat it as similar to as Your Name, Kimi no Nama. I think so that's the Japanese name, but let's call it Your Name. In the Your Name story, you still don't know why they switch, like why the body switch happened. Like they said that it was because of Twilight or some bullshit, but they didn't touch or talked about God. But now yeah, they are exploring that angle here. So man, that's going to be wild. And yeah, the previous episode was absolutely fantastic, and the way it ended, man, it broke my heart. Like Ruby seeing her love, her one and only love, I think so, since the previous life, not only in this life, since previous life, and just talking about him, expressing her love about him, just reminiscing about him, and suddenly seeing that exact person's dead body, rotten dead body in front of you is too cruel, too cruel. Like whoa, man, that gave me goosebumps and made me a little teary-eyed. But yeah, so that happened, and I don't know how she will react to that, what will be the aftermath of that. And maybe Akane will put together everything, like what's happening and everything. Maybe their secret will come out. Maybe Ruby will find out who Aqua is, and Aqua will find out who Ruby is. I don't know who the first one is going to be. Man, I'm excited. There are so many things that can happen, and we still have the dad character to enter. Like what they will do with that? Why did they introduce him this early? So yeah, so many things that are going to happen. Hopefully are going to happen. But anyway, with that being said, if you guys like this reaction or my any other reactions, guys, please like, share, subscribe, and push the notification bell. By interacting with this video in that way, you will be already telling the YouTube algorithm that you like this kind of videos, and it will push these videos to other people too. And that's the greatest help you guys can do for me, and it's free to do. So please guys, please do it. And yeah, I hope you guys do it. And with that being said, and I think so I covered the previous episode properly too, so without wasting much time, let's get to the reaction. Oh no, her face, she's in trauma. And what's happening with Aqua? Did he found out that his body was yeah, man, that's wild. He has to find out in this way, like her sister finding out her body, his body. Yeah. Man, she's completely in shock and traumatized. No, she's not fine. This is the worst possible outcome that could have happened. Her finding out like that, and Aqua finding out from her sister. Yeah, where is she? Is she putting together all the pieces? Wow. Yeah, what happened? Okay. I thought he already told her everything. Man, he is leading her to those things. If he keeps saying these things, she will find out. She will figure it out. Well, there she is. Akane being the most mature one in the whole group. Man, she doesn't understand. Oh my god, maybe she will tell her. Maybe he will confess. Come on. What? What is he saying? Oh, that's wild. Oh my god, he is telling her everything. Wow, he was manipulating her. But how was he that sure? Oh no, man. She's going to put together everything. That's wild, that's wild. Wow. Like, that is too... Yeah. How is she not putting together everything? Maybe the idea of reincarnation is too wild even for her. But anyway, this is cute.
やっとわかった私の気持ちその罪悪感ごと私は寄り添いたい
Wow.
って
Okay,
思った
come on. Proposal number 2.
でもアクアくんはちゃんとさよならできる
What? Why?
アクアくんは私がいない方
Why?
がいいんだよね
What is? How did it lead to this?
あれ
Huh? How did she understand that from all those things that he said?
来ると思ったから
This is bullshit. Yeah, pull her and kiss.
こんなつもりじゃなかった
Come on.
止まれ
Man,
舞台じゃいつも
this is bullshit. Yeah, he is going to
すぐに
comfort her and they will become a couple. Yeah.
も
Ah,
っと早く言うべきだった。
what? Come on.
もう終わった。
Hmm.
死体も見つけた。
Oh no, she will reveal it to him that his revenge is not over.
今度は俺
This
が
is the worst.
茜を守りたい。
Yeah, come on. Yes. But she still knows that the revenge is not over. How will she tell him? Man, this whole situation is a mess. But yeah, at least finally, Aqua has and now she is traumatized instead of Aqua. Oh my God, where is she going? Her eyes are dead. My God. Maybe that god girl, like the little girl, will meet with her. Man, the whole... I still can't believe that happened. That thing happened.
先生
What? What? What is happening? How is she seeing this?
いけないんだ
Yeah, that's the little girl. I thought so. They will meet.
それ痛い何あなた
Yeah.
もしかしてお姉ちゃん
This is what I
お医者
predicted.
さんと深い仲だ意外だから放っておいて
She is a god,
今
not a
私
kid.
すごくお姉ちゃんが知り
Oh
たいこ
my
とを知ってるよ
Man, this finale. What did she tell her?
昨晩
Come
今
on.
はほぼ外ロケ
Yeah,
だけど
what's
気分
the
が悪く
Kana's
なったら
reaction?
遠慮せずやす
But what did that
あんたに言ってる
little
の
kid,
よ
little girl tell her? She is still traumatized. Like what did she reveal? Come on, show it. Don't. Where is Aqua and them?
嫌いなのよね MV の
Akane,
なんか
after the kiss, what happened? Yeah, come
私が知
on.
りたいこと
Tell.
昔ね有名な担当医だったんだって
Oh my God, she is revealing it.
長く失踪中と思われているが子供を産んだ日だったんだ
Oh my God, she knows. She's the first one to know
お医
that
者さん
Aqua is that
そんな大事
doctor.
な日にいなくなっちゃったんだよ
Oh my
い
God.
や怪しい話だよね
Wow.
でも怪しいのはそれだけ不審な男がいたらしいんだ
Hmm.
当時大学生く
Oh
らい
my God, we are seeing their faces.
中学生くらいの男の子
Middle school? Like, who are they?
その片方は数年後に誰か分かった
Oh wow, yeah.
自宅マンションで
Okay, and her husband, yeah.
熱狂的なファン
Makes sense.
ストーカーだったんだねもう一人はのがあなたの役目じゃない
Oh wow. The revenge and the investigation is shifting to her instead of Aqua. Now she will be the one who is investigating.
カット
Wild. And Aqua is going to enjoy a little bit of time, I think so.
やっぱり一歩引いてて遠慮を感
Why?
じる
Why is she holding back? Man, so many things are happening. They're moving from one thing to another.
対してありている
Come on, ma'am, do
それが
something.
受けるか受けないかはギャンブルだけど何かなは可愛い
Nice. She has always been like that.
このグループのせ
Man, how is she processing all those information about Aqua being that doctor?
ルビーさん、お願いします。
Did she meet up with him afterwards? Oh wow, she's going to show a master class right now.
星野ルビーまあ顔はだから真似をしてるみたい
Man, this is wild. The coin flip from Aqua to Ruby right now. Maybe the season 3 will be completely following Ruby.
犯人は二人組
Yeah.
今は20歳っていう若さで二人も奪って今でものうのうと生きている
Wow, she was not even thinking about this all these
ど
years.
んな手を使っても 必ず見つけ出す。
Wow, she's going to
出
burst.
して絶対に。
Exact the coin flip. This is cool. This is cool writing. Man, this is nice. Oh, yeah. This is the look that was in the Aqua Sai. In the season 1. Smile! Smile for the music video, not be like that.
撮影終了。
オンライン編集カラコレしたり CG とか VFX
What is
で
online and offline editing? What is the
来
difference?
月には上がると思うけど
Wow, a whole month.
2本目はちょっと時間もらっていい
Wow, Akane, huh? What happened after the
旅
kiss?
行はいろいろあるけど、何か一本
Yeah,
の線
again,
が
she's
繋がってい
working on
そう
those things, connecting things. Man, she will realize maybe. So what? After the kiss, they went home
あれ
separately.
正式なくただ
Yeah,
男
no
女
one
と
was
して
watching this time. Oh, her competition is coming.
高いわよ。
出ちゃったかも。
This is wild. Will she tell
大事
him?
なことを考えてどうでもよくなっちゃった。
Yeah. What about the thing that she has figured out? Will she tell Aqua about
聞いたわよ。
the dad being
今度
not
映画の
not
主演
being
が
dead
あるんでし
actually?
ょ
Hmm.
羨ましいわ。
Wow. This is the first time she has told her that she's jealous.
これからあんたにとって大
Face
事な
to
時期よ。
face.
この波に乗れるレンリア気分でいいのかしら。
Come on, tell her. They are no
便
longer.
利屋じゃない。
Yeah. Man, yeah. Oh no, Kana.
本当ね。
Oh wow. This is wild. Oh no, Kana. So many heartbreaking things and wholesome things are happening. Did Ruby? Huh? So Ruby is back. So what's her reaction? Did she not meet Aqua after that? The whole day? Where is Aqua actually?
ね、どうして役者になったのかな。
Oh wow, she is also figuring out.
小さい頃か
The
ら
whole-
監督のところで仕事して、この世界に固執してる。してる。
Yeah, come
そ
on.
の人
Oh no, her
に
eyes!
濡れようって。多分そんな感じ。
Man, this is like a horror movie.
それって
Oh
誰？
my god.
私には
She's
全然
wide open.
けど。がいいだろ
Yeah,
う。
but she knows.
アクア君にはミーハーなところあるから。アクア君。
That's a nice cover up. What now? Oh no. Why is that? See, the whole atmosphere turning eerie. My god, what's going to happen? Man, Ruby is freaking me out. Yeah, she has not blinked once. Come on, blink!
へえ。
Man, the whole trip is a
そう
disaster.
荒立てくといっぱいの効果が。
Where is Aqua? Since that kiss, where has he been? Nobody has seen him? Like, why are they not questioning it?
お願い事。
Oh, there he is.
そうだ
Come on, Ruby, speak with him.
をしませんように。もっと演技が上手くなりますよ
Oh,
うに。
wow. Not even
早
about
く売れま
Aqua.
すように。
Cool. Wow, these two, come on. The same thought, maybe.
やつを。
Wow, yeah, she has realized it. So she knows now. What was Aqua's wish? We didn't hear it, right? Oh, wow. This is cool. This is cool. Yeah. Oh no, her dark eyes. Huh? But I was scared. The whole atmosphere is very creepy. Wow, they are going to show the whole music video. The dark star in her eyes. So cool. The change. While that dark star has disappeared from Aqua's eyes. Yeah, this is fantastic writing. Wow.
なのか
It became the
今
most
回の
popular.
MV
Yeah.
のこととなるそれはまった
Wow. What was his wish? I want to hear that too.
半年の時に
6 months time skip.
茜聖に
Oh no, the episode is ending. Come on, don't end it like this.
大きく動き出す年の
6
話
months
だ
and she has not spoken up with him about what she learned. Wild. There is some kind of post-credit scene here. Let's see what's going to happen now. Oh no. What's this? Who is this?
生きてます
What?
か気をつけてって
What's happening?
人
Who is this woman? Huh? Who are these characters? Aqua? Is that Aqua? Is that Ruby? Is this the future? Like, my god. Well guys, the episode ended there. Man, what first of all, what was that final scene? The post-credit scene? Like, was that the future? Like, they had the star eyes. So did Ruby die? Or he is going to die? By the hands of Aqua? What? Was that Ruby? Like, I thought I saw the star and I thought she was Ruby. Who are they? Is that Aqua? Man, so many. Whew. What? Man, I'm confused. I'm flabbergasted. That is the word. That is the word. That is the only word that can describe what I'm feeling right now. Oh my god. Like, I thought they were ending the episode mildly. Like, okay. Like, of course, Ruby find out and there was a time skip and everything there in the second year now. But man, the small post-credit scene changed everything. My god. Like, what now? It reminded me of Attack on Titan suddenly. Like, if you guys remember it, hopefully it's not a spoiler. Hopefully everyone who is seeing this has seen Attack on Titan. But I won't talk about what happened. But in the second year, third season, post-credit scene, it was similarly this kind of creepy, right? Like, we were shown the future, a little bit of future, like what's going to happen in the future, and man, that was scary. And now this one, what did they mean? Why was Aqua killing the girl? Maybe it's Ruby, maybe it's not, but I think so. That's Aqua. Wild. What was his wish? We didn't know that. What will happen with their father? Like, we didn't know that. Like, why was he introduced this early? I thought they were going to do something with his father, but they did not. Anyway, what, like Akane is in love now. Like, what's her future? What's Kana's future? And what's Ruby's future? Like, she has known that for now. Like, I think so. She knows that Aqua is that doctor, right? Like, she can connect that point after what she was revealed by the small kid. So why is she not telling anything with Aqua? Like, he is her love of life, right? I don't know. 6 months is too long, man. How is Ruby keeping a straight face? But she doesn't know that Aqua has given up the investigation. But now again Ruby is wishing that he finds them. What? He is not trying to find it, but someone else is wishing that he will find it right now. Man, this is wild. And what's the god kid going to do? Will she come back into the show? Or is her whole purpose was to tell Ruby about those things and that's it? Too many questions, but a fantastic season, a very fun season, a colorful and artistic season. Of course, they hit it out of the park with the colors, the animation, the music. The final music video was cool too. Man, Oshinoko, fantastic bit of writing. Amazing. Like, I don't know like how many more adjectives I can use to describe this. I enjoyed it. I don't know about you guys, but I enjoyed the season a lot. I enjoyed the finale, and I'm a lot excited for the season 2. Like, I don't know when it will come, but I will be there, and I won't be reading the manga because I'm an anime watcher. I will be only seeing anime. So if you are interested in that, please stick around. Maybe I will react to that too, and in that time when it will release. But yeah, I enjoyed this episode, guys. I enjoyed it a lot, and I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. And I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this episode. And if you did, please like, share, subscribe, and push the notification bell so that you'll get notified when my other reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode and thoughts on my reaction. And if you have any tips or suggestions for me, I do need any kind of feedback, input that I can get from you guys. So please guys, please comment down below. It will help me improve this channel. It will help me improve my production value, and I need your help in that. So please guys, please comment down below. I read all the comments, I reply to all the comments. So please do it. And finally, thank you to those who have all always been doing that, who have always been liking, sharing, subscribing, and pushing the notification bell, and coming back to the videos each and every week. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for doing all those things. Thank you guys for watching, and I will meet you guys in the next Anime's reaction.